In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom code in Webflow. So start by opening up your design in webflow.com. Then next in the left panel, click on the add button and look for code block. But before you drag this onto your page, make sure that you are already in the page where you want the custom code to appear. Now, once inside that page, simply drag this code block to your website design. Once you drag this into your page, this code block editor window will then pop up. And now you can paste your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript directly inside this code editor. And after adding your code, click on Save and Close, and Webflow will then render the code right inside your layout. This method is perfect for things like custom widgets, forms, scripts, or third party embeds. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!